Hey guys, this is Renier with Wilson Auto Group, just reaching out to you here on Lakeland Drive in Flowood, Mississippi. What I'm going to talk to you about mainly is what people are looking for when they are looking at trading in their vehicles. I know so many different dealerships out there have been working with, how people look at evaluating trades. Now guys, first thing I would say is sometimes we get into a situation where you previously bought the vehicle from us, okay, or from another dealership, where who knows what could have happened, okay? So when you guys come in and visit with me, is it going to be perfect every time? Absolutely not. Sometimes things have been done, especially in our field that we work in, that has kind of, I wouldn't say made it a bad taste in people's mouths, but when it comes to trading in your vehicle, let me know and let us know exactly what's going on up front, okay? Because what the vehicle is worth and what you owe, there's no correlation with it whatsoever. Because if you owed nothing and you came in wanting to trade your vehicle and we gave you nothing for us, most of the time, I'm like most people, I don't like to be hit or slapped or anything like that. But the simple sense is you've got to realize that market changes, demographics, you're changing, because a lot of clients that came in 2019 that came in this month with me, well, their car is a year older, so it does change things. But guys, I'm here to answer any questions about where it comes into actually trading in vehicles, okay, or leaving the vehicle with us. And it's very important that all these, how to buy cars and come in and don't, tell anybody or tell us about the trade or anything like that. I'm very transparent, and what we have to do is find a solution based upon where you're at currently and where you're going forward, not what happened in the past. And that's very, very key when it comes into trading your vehicle. So I'm always open. You can find me at Facebook, Renier Mr. HKG. You can reach me at any time over there. You can also find me on Instagram at the Jackson Genesis Guy, including obviously YouTube that I'm on right now. But guys, let us know, let me know, and we can see. It might not work out, guys, because there are certain situations where something has happened and it comes in front of me, and sometimes it's just not fixable. But I strive to try and solve people's transportation needs, which is very, very key for you to re-up your warranty, get into a brand new vehicle, so forth, and possibly keeping your payment the same or lowering it down. So guys, reach out to me directly at 601-914-4222. Again, Renier Stickland, Mr. HKG on Facebook, Instagram at Jackson Genesis Guy, and of course on YouTube. Hopefully everybody has a great week. Happy New Year again, new decade. 2020 is going to be phenomenal for everybody out there. And thank you guys for allowing me to serve you in the Metro, Jackson and surrounding state area. Thank you.